Hey brats, welcome back to the channel, and today we are reviewing AMVR's version of a face cover for the Oculus Rift S. So this is a silicone face cover that covers only the main pad, the one that goes right around your eyes. This is supposed to help with sweat, with stink, with resistance. Let's check it out and see how it does. This comes straight from VR. It's in a real simple package. It does come in 4 different color options. I want to say a huge thank you. So on Reddit, I gave away some Windows mixed reality controllers. I had an extra set from a giveaway that I had done when I only sent the headset because that was all they needed. So one of the Reddit winners who won one of the controllers, to say thank you, bought us something off of our Amazon list, which was super cool of them. So thank you. So I want to say a big thank you to them for sending this. Let's check it out. Simple package, comes from AMVR. Knowing them, there's probably some other random stuff in the package because they always tend to do that. Yep, another lens cover. We have so many of these at the moment. So thank you AMVR and all the other companies. Every time they send something, who said it's an extra Oculus Quest lens cover. Books and crap warranty card. All right, simple, all silicone. It's interesting. I do feel like this might cover some of your field of view around your eyes on the side. So let's find out. Got my Oculus Rift S here. So this is just meant to go over the existing pad. It's not meant to replace it. Are you gonna keep crying over there and messing up the video? All right, so this just slips over the existing padding. Slips over the existing padding here. Will stop yelling at me. I don't really know any best practices as to how to put this on because I haven't done this yet. So we're just gonna mess with it until we get it on there. So far, I'd say just pushing it down over the sides seems to be the best way to go. What I am curious about this is how often you're going to take this off once you get it on there. Willow, oh my goodness. And I guess I could have taken the thing off the Rift S and then tried it. Maybe that would have been a little simpler, but it's going on. Okay. So simple, fits right over there. The thing about the Rift S, this part does soak up a lot of sweat, but I mean the forehead and the back pad do too. So this isn't gonna fix all of that. This is only gonna cover this part down here. And one concern that I have, something I'm curious about, we'll find out when we go to test this. When you play, typically, if you play hardcore Beat Saber and you get pretty sweaty, sweat will actually pool inside of here, down in here and in here, which is not good, probably have that much water just pooled somewhere next to the headset. But one thing that kind of helps is the padding, as gross as it is, it actually soaks in a lot of the sweat. But you'll find if you go to lift it up your head and this padding gets squeezed in your head, the sweat will just run down your face, and it's disgusting. Disgusting! So now I'm wondering though, if you have this with silicone where no water can get in, does that mean you're actually going to be risking your headset more by letting the water leak around the silicone and go other places? So let's see. I mean, as far as it just feels like silicone. Some people do have a silicone allergy, so that's something to consider with this. You don't want to put silicone on your face this close to your eyes, especially if you have some sort of allergy. It seems to keep a pretty good feeling and seal around it all. I wouldn't say it causes any noticeable light bleed, except, so like your nose is still about the same. It's not really adding any more or less coverage. But one weird thing, I'm having a little bit of light leaking up here now, which I've never had with the cloth pad, so I'm not really sure why that is. But it's interesting. So it's something about the way the silicone's pushing and keeping it tighter around there. It's actually letting just a tiny bit of light in around my forehead. So that could just be a matter of not having this thing on all the way and as nice. I would definitely say it's on there, but it doesn't feel like secure on there. It doesn't feel like it's staying on really hard. It's just kind of sitting over everything. So yeah, I'm definitely noticing a strange bit of light bleed up here that I don't usually ever have. So that's interesting. So it's something to do with the way it's changing the face pad. It's no longer fitting my forehead as well. So it's a very small amount of light bleed, but it is definitely considerable if you're playing in a really well lit room, which I usually do when I'm playing VR. It's enough that I feel like I would notice that in game, but we'll see once we actually get in game, because once the monitors light up, maybe it won't be that noticeable. Area around the nose is still pretty normal. Very little light bleed on the Rift S, so it's not bad. But yeah, I definitely keep feeling myself like when I take it off, I kind of just want to adjust it because I feel like it just doesn't feel very secure. It's just kind of sitting over it. Like there's nothing that's strapping into place, nothing that's holding in place. It's really just sitting on there. The only real way to test this, I guess we've got to go work up a sweat.
There we go. You should have brought a shield with you. Oh, you weren't done. You wanted more? Yeah. Kick. Who wants some? Oh, you're fancy. Are you not entertained? Yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. Why are you just standing there creepishly? Yeah. Didn't see the jump kick coming, did you? Bridge, come here. Get off this bridge. Definitely a lot harder to work up a sweat in Blade Sorcery than it is in Beat Saber. Get off the bridge! I was just about to throw her off the bridge. Oh, jeez! What the hell? So, just like I suspected, since it doesn't absorb the moisture, it just rolls right down the front of your face. Which isn't super fun either, because it just like rolled down and started just going right in the corner of my mouth. So I'm eating sweat right now, so that's pretty fun. I still think, pros, cons, whatever you want to say on that, I definitely highly prefer it over the feeling of that wet cotton on my face. Like I hate that wet feeling, and then you lift it and it just drains. So I would definitely say this is worth it, and I'm going to keep this on my rip test for sure. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check that out and get one for yourself. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you in another reality.